What have we got then? Butt plugs in, ready to go. Oh, here it is. They take their rapping seriously. Oh, what's that? FMF.
Yeah. Whoa.
What's that? FMF slip on. What we got? Let's have a look. Yes. Have to get that fitted in a minute. Let's go. Let's get the tools out. Let's get them on. Get rid of the stock one. Where's the stocky? See ya. Shiny. I think you're gonna have to install that later.
Very cool.
Do a sound test as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyone who wants to hear it, let's see if there's a difference between the stock and the FMF pipe. Let's get it on. Take the stocky off. Oh, that was hard.
Quite hot actually.
Alright, let's get that beast on then. Trained mechanic. He's doing this for years. He knows exactly what he's doing.
Yep.
Install. Can the team mechanic do it?
Yeah, is it
No.
slot on like that?
That's it. Just like that.
I think so.
What about some bolts? We can do it with zip ties. Oh, it looks a bit baggy at this end.
Huh?
That looks a bit baggy there. I don't think that's right.
That's Right.
Alright. Okay, let's go and call KTM. Let's get the team mechanics in. Let's go. Here we go. It's on. It's on. We're going for the first start. Any difference, or has it got a bed in? Get the fender shake ready. Right there, fender shake. Yeah, definitely deeper. Definitely deeper. Give it a blast on the track tomorrow and see what we got. Yeah, FMF shorty. That's what it looks like. 125 SX 2020. Fitment. What do we think? Yes, improvement.